Hey guys, it's Kelly Domaille at Domaille Real Estate. Winter in Rochester, Minnesota is more than just cold temperatures and snow. It's really a season that's so full of so many opportunities that you can create so many lasting memories and enjoy those unique experiences. So stick around because we're going to dive into some of the best ways that you can make the most of winter right here in our community. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to reach out to Domaille Real Estate with any questions or any real estate needs because we are here to help. Hi guys, I'm Kelly Domaille and I own Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty in Rochester, Minnesota. Thanks so much for tuning in today. I appreciate it. If you have any comments as we go through this, please put them down below or questions, or just let me know where you're tuning in from. I love to see where my viewers are from. So now let's talk about those Minnesota winters. You get to enjoy outdoor winter activities like crazy around here. You get to make them up, you get to do the traditionals, you can do ice skating. We've got so many ice skating rinks around here, especially one out at Soldiers Field. If you're into cross-country skiing or snowshoeing, there are plenty of trails throughout our community, especially out at Quarry Hill, which is our nature center. Awesome. Sledding. I grew up sledding. I don't know if you guys have ever done that, but you can do that anywhere there's a hill, and hills are everywhere around here. So find a sled, find some friends, and find a hill and go sledding. Now you can also stay indoors and experience Rochester's arts and culture. Now we have Rochester Art Center here in town, which is fantastic local and national artists. You can also buzz on down to the Rochester Civic Center. We have the Civic Theater, and there are performances year-round, so that'll get you out of the house in the cold. Or you can grab a friend or go by yourself and go warm up at some of our local coffee shops and restaurants like Cafe Steam or Rochester Forager. Okay, lots of breweries, lots of fun places to join up with your friends. There are also a ton of family-friendly winter events. So our Rotary here puts on a great lights display around the holidays. Even homeowners have lights on display where we provide you with maps to get out and go see the beautiful sights of the holidays. We have events like Social Ice where you can see ice sculptures throughout our downtown and enjoy libations and food from our local restaurants. We do have a local event calendar that's always kept up to date, so you can check out other organizations and other community events that are going on in our area. Now, the other thing I want to talk about is you really do need to winterize your home when we get into the winter season. Before winter comes, walk around your house, seal up drafts, and check your heating system, okay? You don't want to wait till it's 13 below before you find out where the leaks are or if your furnace isn't working. And you also want to keep your walkways and your driveways clear of ice and snow for obvious safety reasons, but it will also help come spring as things thaw out, just to get back to normal a little bit quicker. Now, prevent costly repairs by also staying very proactive, okay? You can have services done again to your mechanicals for your heating system a couple times a year, and you can also prevent many costly repairs just by staying proactive. So if you'd like to know more about enjoying winter in Rochester and about our local real estate opportunities, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can follow us on all of our socials, and you can hit that like button. And you can also click on all the boxes on your screen to see any of our other videos too. Comment down below if you have any questions or feedback, and we'll make sure to answer all of them. I'm Kelly Domaille with Domaille Real Estate at eXp Realty. Thanks again for tuning in.